This is John Bosco Eswet, the boss of Kachumbala Preparatory School. We want to thank Rotary for giving us the institutional stoves. The stoves are very good. They are less consuming, and by this period of the term, this is the 6th week, we would have consumed already 2 trips of firewood. But from the time we started using the stoves, we have not yet got any firewood. We are still using firewood from last term.
I'm here to thank people of Rotary Club and thanks for what you have done for us. They have saved us from heat. We had a lot of heat, smoke, but now we don't have any heat, any smoke we don't have.
Really thank the club of Santa Rosa and Sorority Central for giving us these stoves. Thank you very much. We also thank Barney Cockbill. Thanks for the good work. We really love this initiative. It is very good. Thank you.